Hey friends, we're back in Hawaii, and of course we stayed at the Koolina Marriott Beach Club. This is my favorite place to stay. It's close to home and the resort is absolutely beautiful. One thing that we love about timeshares is full washer and dryer, cleaning supplies, full kitchen so we can prepare meals for our kids, because you know how kids can be on vacation. I love the space in this kitchen. We've shared so many great meals during this trip. Let's go into my boys' room. This is room number 2. It's just 2 beds, a TV, closet. Here's their bathroom. Here's my little one. She's so excited to show me our room. Yeah. Bathtub.
I saw you in a shower.
Yeah.
See, I told you.
Yes, you did. You ready to take a bath?
Yes.
Okay, hold on. All right.
I'm a coach.
Okay, baby. Shower area.
Shower.
Closet. We're supposed to be in an ocean view. I get a pool view. I guess the ocean is there. Yes. So that was my room. Now let's head on over to the third room with the third bathroom. This also has a mini kitchenette and your basic things in an average room. My kids, my nieces, my nephews, and my grandnephews hung out in this room most of the time, this and the second bedroom, while my siblings, aunts, uncles, and the parentals hung out in the living room area of the main room.